That's so cute. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I got my second month's Birchbox in the mail today and I'd like to go over it with you guys. And the packaging is so cute. Hi my head. And so it's got this tassel on it. Pull it out. This is not a beauty box. Oh, there's a poem on it. Let us explain. I just wanted to say the box was addressed to the awesome Marina. So, and then my last name. But yeah, it's so cute. And then the poem, you a poem. This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you. And then it's got a little card of how to be good to you. And then everything is on the back. So, I love this tassel. Ooh. So first thing is this dry shampoo from Amika, and I just got some rib fragrance from them, and that was my very first item from them. So I'm excited to try out the dry shampoo. This is a leave-in detangler. It's the Beauty Protector Protect and Detangle, and it's got a very cute logo on it. And then I got a $20 in loyalty points. So if anybody wants to subscribe for Birchbox, I'll make sure to leave that linked below or somewhere. Too Cool for School all-in-one egg mellow cream. It's a 5-in-1 firming moisturizer. Cute. Next is this Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. Next I have the Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. Packaging is so cute. And last but not least, I've got two Wilma's Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. So, one for me, one for my mom. So cute. Paying what, $15 a month for Birchbox, and each the iPads retail for $18. I don't know if that's together or a piece, but I'm not sure. All-in-one egg mellow cream, it retails for $36. For the Beauty Protector Protect and Tangle, the Beauty Protector Protect and Tangle and Detangle retails for $23.50. The Color Enhancing Lip Balm retails for $15, so this pays for the entire box all in itself. So, and the Amika dry shampoo retails for $25 full size, and the Skinny eyeliner retails for $22. So all of these are like deluxe size samples in the Birchbox. So I like it this month. This month was really great. So, and I love this box. Like, hold on. You guys like my lip gloss? It is the Ulta Beauty. I put that on over my AOA liquid lip in the shade Tease. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing for my Birchbox this month. I really enjoyed it. The box is super cute. If you guys are interested in subscribing, I will leave my code linked somewhere. And if you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave those linked below. you guys have a great one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.